What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to give you guys a short tutorial on how to remove copyright claim from your videos. So in this video I'm going to show you guys 2 steps that you can take to remove copyright claim from your YouTube videos. So first, I'm on my browser, so what I'm going to do right now is go to YouTube. You can always type it in up here to YouTube, and also I'm going to click on YouTube. Now once I'm on YouTube, I'm going to go on YouTube Studio by clicking on my profile picture right here, and I'm going to go to YouTube Studio. Yes guys, so now I'm on my dashboard. So what I'm going to do right now is go to content, and you can see all of my content right here that is on YouTube. So right here you see restriction if your video have a copyright claim, which will show right here, so that your video have a copyright claim. So let me scroll down, and you realize that there's a video right here that is ineligible for monetization, which a copyright claim is on this video. So what you can do is avoid. So this can also be done on your mobile phone. I will leave a card right up here to access the YouTube Studio from your mobile phone. And also if you're using a computer, you can follow this step very easily. So what I'm going to do is click on see detail, and right here you realize that there's a song in this video that have a copyright claim, and I show the minutes in which the copyright claim cover this song. So what you're going to do is to make a selection right here. Now guys, there are 2 options in which you can remove the copyright claim from your videos. The first option is to replace the song. Now when you replace the song, you can replace it from any one of the free royalty music in the YouTube Studio, or you can mute the song, whichever one you choose. But sometimes when you replace the song, the audio of your voice actually be removed in the video clip that you have removed or replaced. So anyone you choose, the audio of your voice will be still removed, so bear that in mind. And also I'm going to do the first method. So since this video I'm not doing any talking, I'm going to replace the song. So I'm going to click on replace the song. So when you go into YouTube Studio, there are a lot of songs that you can choose from right here in the YouTube library. Yes guys, these songs are free. There are no copyright claim you can get from these songs that are in the YouTube library. These are basically free to use. So if you feel like you want to get some free music for YouTube videos, you can always come here and get some free music to download and add to your YouTube videos. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select a music that I want to add over this right here to remove the copyright claim. So I'm going to choose a music that best fit this music right here. So let's say guys, I want to choose this music right here. What I'm going to do is add it. And you realize that when I added music, let me pause it a bit. You realize that when I add the music, it covers the section right here where the copyright claims. And what I'm going to do right now is to save it. This process might take some while, so what you can do is to wait for a minute or probably a couple minutes. Yes guys, as you can see, the copyright claim has been removed from this video. Now the video is free and ready to monetize, right? So there's no copyright claim in this video. In less than a couple minutes, they have resolved it guys, and there's no copyright claim in this video. Yes guys, so that's basically That's basically simple step in how to remove copyright claim from your videos. Very simple and easy.